I've come again. So since YouTube is marking on my voices, on my sounds, copyrights, I've decided to be using my ugly voice on my videos, so you guys should have to deal with it. So that's my voice again. Well, the same thing, the same step, the same whatever. I just love posting eyebrow tutorials. So don't get annoyed. But I can assure you that there must be something different in each of my eyebrow videos. So you need to watch them. And here is another eyebrow tutorial for you guys. I do like to stroke up, then fill using your spoonie, brush it up, repeat the same step on the other side of the brow. So I got some eyebrow tints. Using the eyebrow tints, I'll be brushing up my eyebrow. Just brush it up. We all know for this part we always use concealer. It's 2 shades lighter than her skin, and for this outer side use a concealer that is her normal skin tone, that is her normal skin shade, and blend it together. So I'll now have to bake it with powder. For this upper side, I normally use foundation instead of concealer. A normal skin tone foundation. So here you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Bye.